gotta be loud, you gotta be rude, so the world can hear you. You gotta be crass, you gotta be cold, it's everything we know. Turn it up, turn it up! Another day, a double shot of hate, drink it up like gasoline. The lies of pain to graduate, so build somebody else's dream. When a noose is a tie, to the fantasize of a much different life. They face for who they want you to be, directly.
The match is underway. The match is underway.
Well, damn, this match starts without any ring introductions, but I tell you what, who needs a ring introduction when your name's Kid Lightning, right?
Exactly.
And he's taking J.D. Pruitt right to the ring post, and here comes that dastardly Ed Malice, and Kid Lightning's gaining chase to him.
Here's this PA again.
Here comes Dr. Xavier Blackstone's physician's assistant. I need to see him about some blood work I had done last week.
Hey, we need some medical work over here, man.
Are you available?
I don't have my gloves.
Damn it. Next time then. And Kid Lightning has the upper hand. J.D. Pruitt is down.
Kid Lightning's taking
look at this
JD.
shit. Look at this. This is another match where J.D. Pruitt has 1, 2, 3, 4 people out here.
Don't worry about
out here in his corner.
Don't worry about who's out there for JD. Worry about Kid Lightning. Ooh, smack to the face. Drop kick.
Oh, a drop kick sends Kid Lightning back to the corner. And a kick to the midsection. And now J.D. Pruitt, the southpaw J.D. Pruitt throwing lefts at Kid Lightning. Oh, and a running knee.
A running knee to the face. J.D. Pruitt is about to pin him. No, he's not. It's a this is a last man standing match.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to announce it, but you're right. This is a last man standing match. The action started before I could even do the damn ring announcements.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Oh, and J.D. Pruitt runs right into the right foot of Kid Lightning. Oh, reverse atomic drop.
Atomic drop on J.D. Kid Lightning's got J.D. where he wants him.
Kid Lightning with the reverse atomic drop on J.D. Pruitt.
Here comes an Irish whip.
Oh, and a clothesline, and J.D. Pruitt goes down hard. It's going to take more. It's going to take more. The Dead Malice, Jared Weaver,
referee is starting to count.
The Broken Doll, and whoever the princess is over there to take care of Kid Lightning. If you're going to try to take care of Kid Lightning, you better bring a damn army with you.
I didn't see nothing. What happened?
Oh, it figures you didn't see nothing.
What just happened?
Come on, Oreo. You can't count and you can't see.
JD's got him. Oh!
Did you didn't see that? JD Pruitt was standing on Kiss Lightning hair. He was standing on his damn hair, Oreo.
He was standing on his hair.
I quit it. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. Now he's choking him. Can you see that? He's choking him over the top rope. But it doesn't matter because it's a damn last man standing match.
He just helped the kid out, man, to see the crowd. Ooh!
Bullshit! Helping him out. Helping him out.
A cookie sheet.
Hey, Oreo. Was that helping him out?
A birthday girl got him a cookie sheet.
Oh, bull crap. Bull crap. You full of it, Oreo.
I want to help you, Roxy.
And now JD's in a golf club. He's in a golf club. Are you kidding?
Oh!
He's already got a damn posse out here, and he's got to use plunder too? What kind of man is JD Pruitt? Oh! Damn! He just went to the fifth hole with that one. He just went to the fifth hole with that one.
Oh, right in the back of the head.
Oh,
with
God.
that golf club. Ain't this the best sight you ever seen?
You're full of it, Oreo. Stick to your day job. And JD Pruitt is choking Kid Lightning.
Anything goes in this match. It's a last man standing match.
We got a super fan over there that's about ready to jump in the ring and whip some ass. And I know she'll do it too. Oh! And across the back of Kid Lightning. Kid Lightning doing a smart thing, getting out of the ring, taking a breather, if you will. But you gotta watch it. You gotta watch it.
It ain't no time. Oh, Kid Lightning.
Right there behind
Kid Lightning's got a kibble stick.
And
yes!
He missed the baseball slide, and he got nailed with a kendo stick. Did JD Pruitt? Kid Lightning's fighting back.
Oh, kendo stick to the head.
Damn head.
Kid Lightning's got JD where he wants him.
To JD Pruitt. Look at this.
He can't hit.
The face off. Kid Lightning, the broken dog Roxy. Look at that. The face off. She's in his face.
Oh, no.
From behind. Damn it. What the hell? Kid Lightning is up against insurmountable odds here.
Hey, she didn't touch him.
Shut it. Shut it, Oreo. Kid Lightning is up against insurmountable odds here. Oh, and I guess you didn't see the low blow either.
I didn't see no low blow. Hold up. Chair shot to the back.
You see that? It's a damn amazing. It's a damn amazing. You seen that? Oh, God, another chair shot to the back. Oh, Kid Lightning. Oh, Kid Lightning rams his face right into the ring apron.
Kid Lightning's fighting back. Kid Lightning's fighting back.
You can only see action like this in ACW. ASYLUM Carnage Wrestling, if you will. Coming to you from Burlington, North Carolina, from Moonshiner's Bar. We're getting funky like a monkey here in 2022.
Oh!
He just broke. Uh-oh.
What was that?
Kid Lightning tried to hit him with the electric fly swatter, and it was broken in half.
It was broken in half.
He took his head with it, and
Kid Lightning beat the crap out of JD right now. Don't worry, JD will come back.
Kid Lightning's got a damn cowbell and a rope.
Got a cowbell.
He's got a bull rope. Kid Lightning had a bull rope, and the broken dog took it from him.
Roxy took it from him. Oh,
JD Pruitt with a vicious boot to the side of the head of Kid Lightning. Oh! JD Pruitt just riding the back of Kid Lightning.
Oh!
Damn it! The broken dog Ricey with the cowbell to Kid Lightning.
What just happened? What did I just miss, man? I didn't see that.
If you was paying attention, you wouldn't have missed it.
I just see a cowbell in her hand, man.
Oh, and the baseball slide kick to Kid Lightning by JD Pruitt.
This referee is doing a great job.
Oh, with a cookie sheet in his hand.
Oh, he's got a cookie sheet in his hand.
Oh, that drop with the cookie sheet.
Kid is fighting back with the cookie sheet to the head, back of the head.
With the cookie sheet over the head of J.D. Pruitt. J.D. Pruitt is out like a light. And it ain't none in this damn little buddy.
The referee is starting his count.
Right now.
The referee is starting his 10 count. Will he answer the 10?
I guess we're gonna find out, Oreo.
No, he stopped the count. He's chugging with cowbell.
You know what referee Josh needs to do? He needs to tell all them people to get their ass to the back. That's what he needs to do. He's hanging him! He's hanging him! Kid Lightning is hanging J.D. Pruitt! He's hanging J.D. Pruitt! Ah, man! Look at that little tampon trying to help him.
They're doing their job.
They got his whole posse over here helping him.
They're doing their job.
But Kid Lightning's still standing tall. He is still standing tall.
He's got a chair in his hand. He's wedging that chair into the
Kid Lightning
turnbuckles.
setting up a chair in the corner.
He's wedging that chair in the turnbuckles.
The physician's assistant. The physician. I'm so excited I can't freaking talk. The physician's assistant. He's over there threatening one of the co-owners of the company with the damn cowbell.
The PA got the cowbell.
Ring my bell.
I'll ring your bell. I need a prostate exam. Come over here and finger my ass.
Kid Lightning standing up a ladder in the corner. What's next?
I'm the physician's assistant to the asylum.
Kid Lightning got J.D. Pruitt in the corner.
His eyes
Put the
ripping.
dolls up on the ring
It's a
apron.
reversal
Reversal.
to the ladder.
Oh, and Kid Lightning goes back first into the ladder.
Kid is out.
J.D. Pruitt with evil intentions now. Oh, and a cannonball. J.D. Pruitt with a cannonball to Kid Lightning with his back up against the ladder.
JD with the knee to the arm. Oh, stop to the arm. JD Pruitt is choking with the ropes at the moment.
J.D. Pruitt is standing on the back of Kid Lightning. Are you serious?
Oh!
Now the ladder's going to fall and catch Kid Lightning's legs. I know that was an accident, but still, it could work to J.D. Pruitt's advantage. But he throws it out of the ring.
He got rid of the ladder.
Kudos to J.D. Pruitt for doing the right thing for a change. I mean, it ain't like he's got a damn army out here helping him anyway. You have Jared Weaver, Malice, the Princess, and the Broken-Doll Roxy, all out here in the corner. All out here in the corner of the southpaw J.D. Pruitt.
Kid Lightning.
And another chair shot to the back of Kid Lightning by J.D. Pruitt.
J.D. Pruitt got the upper hand on Kid Lightning, finally. Uh-oh. The referee starting his 10 count. He's up to 5. Kid's up. He broke the count. Oh! Kid Lightning with the cutter.
Kid Lightning with a cutter on J.D. Pruitt.
Is this over?
That was a pretty cutter. That was a pretty cutter. You see? That's what happens when you wrestle. You don't need a damn army. You just wrestle. That's what happens. Kid Lightning ain't got nobody out here with him, and J.D. Pruitt has a whole damn army.
JD's moving.
And he's about to get his ass beat.
Oh, curb to the chair. Curb stuck onto the chair.
Jared Weaver, what
Jared
the hell?
Weaver's in the ring.
What?
They're jumping Kid Lightning. They're jumping Kid. Oh, another cutter.
And a cutter.
Jared Weaver.
Another cutter. And the Broken-Doll Roxy with a chair shot to Kid. Lays him out flat as hell.
Chair shot to Kid.
Lays him
Roxy
out flat as hell.
lays Kid Lightning out. with that chair shot.
Are you serious?
The ref is up to a 4 count.
Are you serious?
5, 6, 7.
8.
He's up to 8.
Come on now.
That's the match. JD wins the match.
And the winner of the match, J.D. PRUITT!
Team broken!
This is the best sight. They jump and Kid Lightning.
What the hell? What the hell?
This is what he deserves. He deserves
These
this.
vicious, these damn vicious dogs running in packs because we ain't got a ball between them to take care of Kid Lightning on their own. What the hell?
Kid Lightning deserves all this beatdown.
They ain't got a pair of balls between them to take care of Kid Lightning on their own.
He should turn.
Like damn wolves.
He should turn on Broken Ball, Roxy.
The Broken Ball Roxy's trying to go through the ball. Zero chaos coming out. Oh hell, it's picking up now.
All hell is breaking loose.
God damn, it's picking up now.
All hell is breaking loose in both ends of North Carolina.
But is it too late? Is it too late? Has the damage already been done to Kid Lightning?
He's hurt. He's holding it. He's on that left shoulder. Kid Lightning's on that left shoulder.
JD PRUITT out there raising hell with the fans now.
Announce us again!
Get over here!
Announce us again!
Hey!
The winner of the match!
Get over here! And the winner of this match, Team Broken!
And the winner of this match, Team Broken!
Right! Get it right! About time you get this game, Mark! You introduced us as Team Broken!
It was not in my notes.
I don't care what
I don't care if it's in your notes or not! Announce us!
Well, now you know!
The best team around here! I'll get in my face if I want to! You ain't gonna do jack shit! Come on! Hey!
I'll pick your fucking ass up.
Come on! Announce us right!
I'll announce you right. Get him out of my face. I'll put his dick in the dirt.
We are the future of this country!
Stay in character. No, stay in character.
We are the future!
Please, if I have to, if I can, y'all can. Please,
Team Broken!
please.
And y'all better learn to recognize it!
She didn't mean to say
Including you, Sentinel!
that.
JD.
Alright, come on, guys! Y'all have had some fun for now! It's time to get
He told me I wouldn't get jack shit. I don't even know. It's a video, I guess. I don't know. I can't see it. If I get my checks, I'm going to put it in the check and all that stuff. Burn, bitch, burn.
That's all I saw.
JD was like, announce us right, which is cool. That's fine. Yeah, announce. He gets to rock out.